Welcome to the QUIKREP Report Generation Tutorial Part 2. Displayed is the Display Attributes page generated in Part 1, which is a list of data attributes that will be displayed left to right on the report. Typically, the sort of a report includes a subset of the list of displayed attributes. Our sample is no exception, as all attributes in the display list are included in the sort except Customer 10, Weight, and Tote. Sort is selected from the menu to initiate the specification of sorting for the sample report. In our sample, Ascending is selected in the Sort By column for each attribute in our sort list. There is no requirement to specify operator or comparison value for any of the attributes in our attribute sort list. We proceed to select each attribute in the order of desired sort with the ascending specification. So the first one is branch number. There it is. Second one is carrier. The next one, origin. And then origin province. And finally, invoice date. Upon completion of the sort specification, the Update Record button is selected to save the specifications. Again, back with our sample report requirements document. We would like to have a new page and subtotals to be calculated and displayed with each change in the branch. As branch number is unique for each branch, we use it as the break-on attribute. We select break-on in the menu to initiate the break-on specifications. Branch number is selected from the attribute drop-down. Clicking the Help beside the break-on text and options heading provides you with a list that a document that describes the format of the specification and a list of options. We enter totals for as the text, along with VP in single brackets. To get rid of the help box, you just click on it once. The letters in the single quotes represent options. The V means to display the text that we've entered, to describe the subtotals rather than the default, which is a line of stars, and the P means to start a new page with each change in the value of the branch number. Upon completion of the break-on specification, the Update Record button is selected to save the specifications. Checking back again with our sample report requirements document, we want some text along with the date and page number in our heading. And that's indicated in our header, and we're looking actually for inbound freight as our header. To initiate the header specifications, we select Head Foot Doc in the menu. Selecting the Help question mark beside the heading text options provides a box that explains the format of the specification and a list of options. Clicking on it removes that. To achieve our desired results, we enter DC in single quotes, which are options that mean D, date, and C, center the entire heading. Then we enter our text heading, leaving spaces on either side. And the text heading that we want is Inbound Shipments. Some more spaces, and then our next single quote followed by two options, P and L, which mean P means page, of course, and L means leave a blank line before the report data lines. Upon the completion of the heading specification, the update record is selected to save the specifications. Checking back for the last time with our sample report requirements document, we would like to get a subtotal on the weight and freight costs for each change in branch as indicated under subtotals. To initiate the subtotal specifications, we select Subtotals Totals from the menu. We then select Weight from the Attributes to Total drop down, and under Total Type we select Total because we want to actually add up the values of the weight. And we do the same thing for the value for the attribute tote. So because we also want to do a total on it. Upon completion of the subtotal total specification, the update record button is selected to save the specifications. This completes part 2 of QUIKREP report generation. See the report execution tutorial, which covers the activities involved in running and modifying a report.